arts, family, crafts, oh my!
What's up, guys? Today we're going to be decorating cookies.
That's right.
And it's by Bakery Bling.
Yep, this is by Bakery Bling.
Yeah, and Kevin got dinosaur. I got unicorn.
We stumbled across it in the nearest supermarket. Like I said, it's called, I'll show you from the top. It's called Bakery Bling. It's woman owned. It's basically cookies. It's basically you can design your own cookies. Yeah, they're already ready to decorate it.
And guys, there's this own website. It's called bakerybling.com.
And then on it you see it's basically, like I said, designer cookies. She has, which one is this one, Ava?
A unicorn.
Yep, she has unicorn cookies. Kevin has the dinosaur cookies.
And I think they actually put like flavored things, because I smell cranberry.
It's probably regular sugar cookies. Alright, so I already popped the tablet for this already. So Ava, you can open this. This comes out. In the back of the box it shows instructions on how to do it.
Guys, look at this glitter.
So when you open it, it comes with it looks
glitter
like
you can eat, guys. Daddy, what's this?
That looks like the unicorn's eyes.
Ooh, I see, guys, so what we have for this is we have frosting.
Yep, comes with the frosting.
We have the cookies.
The cookies, and then you have all the glitter, right?
Yeah, and guys, don't worry, this is just sprinkles. It's edible sprinkles.
Alright, so we're gonna sit this down. When I saw this, I thought it was probably like a pretty cool idea. I think I paid $10.99. I think I paid in the store.
So that's basically $11.
Yep, basically $11.
Okay.
Alright, let me open it. Hold on, I'll split it for you.
Guys, don't forget to ask a parent.
Yep, make sure.
Mine didn't even do any.
Yep, so it comes with 2, 4, 6, 8 cookies. It comes with. Ava's smelling it right now. Now they do have a tutorial in the back. They give you the website. They do have a tutorial how to make it. They also give you directions coming down.
Let's start with the frosting.
So what y'all want to do? All right. So
I took a bite.
I guess we can use this. We'll use this since you have them. Right, we'll put these like this.
Can I tell you guys something?
Mm-hmm.
I took a bite.
I know you took a bite. It smells good too.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, let's get this out because we can actually use this.
Oh, so you're gonna need a scissor. So guys, what you're gonna need is a scissor.
All right, so I'm gonna lay these like this.
Wait, I know what this is for. This is like they have these pits and it has a hole in it.
That's what the bakers use, right? When they design cookies. Wait, I gotta get the cookie.
Guys, what are your favorite cookie designs?
All right, so this one, it comes with his dinosaur comes with eyes, and it comes with the the spikes, right? And then the glitter.
I'm gonna try your cookie.
Hold on. And then this one comes with the unicorn's eyes.
I'm gonna try your cookie design.
Now they put a picture in the front so you can look at how to do it.
Ready?
These cookies are so good.
Tastes good.
I have to take another bite.
Oh God.
Guys, I have to take another bite.
So
I know you guys want to see it when it's done, but it's so delicious.
Yeah, these kids are probably gonna eat it before they even design the cookies. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this for them, and as they're decorating, as they're putting their frosting on the cookies, I'm gonna slowly open everything else for them.
Daddy, can I cut some ball on my unicorn?
Yeah, if there's any left. All right, so Kevin's gonna start putting the frosting on his.
Wait.
You know how to do it? Yeah. All right, so they're gonna design it, and as they're designing, they're putting their frosting on the cookies. I'm gonna start cutting these for them.
I actually need help.
All right, so they put it on. It came out a little watery. I guess you're supposed to shake this. You're supposed to stir it up first with your hands. I guess mush it up before you cut it. Because at first it came out watery like that. And then it came out thick. So now we don't. There's certain directions in the back, but you already know how kids are. They ain't gonna follow it. So now they can start decorating it now. So Kevin, he can put on his blue with his eyes, which he's already doing now.
I'm drawing one eye.
And now Ava wants to eat the eye. Ah, you eat my eyes!
I only decorated 2 cakes and I'm ready.
Alright, so which colors you want to use? Like, this is supposed to be for the sides, like this. Look. Like this. Yeah, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Yeah, try it. Take it. I thought you was going to stare it on and take this from me. Alright, this looks like it goes on the butt of the head, like that.
Dad, you what? Dad, put some right here, please.
Which
Put some
one?
right here.
Which one?
Here.
This one?
I'm gonna pull this one.
Mm-hmm. That helps me.
I'm gonna put all on.
No, we gotta get all of them. About to waste them all.
Mine is easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are we done easy?
Easy, lemon squeezy.
Alright, guys!
We are back. So this is Kevin's design.
And I used some of Ava's design.
And this is Ava's design. Woo! High five, guys. Your hands are blue. And your lips are blue. Give me 5. Too slow.
Let's go again.
You got me. Alright, so, like we said, okay, so now for the final test. How does it taste?
Good.
You gonna eat one? Let me
Very
eat one. Can I have
good.
one?
Yeah.
I haven't tried my dinosaur.
Alright, yep, so that's what it looks like. So now I'm gonna try it to see if the cookies taste good.
How do... Daddy?
The eye got
You have frosting on your beard.
I do?
Right there.
On my mustache? It actually tastes pretty good.
Mm-hmm. It's good. Alright guys, we'll see you guys later. Bye!
Yeah, make sure you
Right and subscribe to our channel.
like and you subscribe to our channel. Again, this is called Bakery Bling. We found this at our nearest, I'll show you from up top. We found this at our nearest supermarket. We paid $10.99. I think it's woman owned,
I'm Daddy.
nut free. They have, they give you comes with all accessories. It comes with the assembly instructions. It comes with a video tutorial. You can watch the video. It comes with 8 cookies. It comes with the icing. It comes with the glitter sugar and the glitter dust.
A few moments later.
Out of 1 out of 10, what do you guys think you give the video? The cookies.
1,000.
Give it 2,000? At 1 out of 10.
10,000.
You give 10,000. What about you?
Same as Ava.
Oh God. All right, guys. So like I said, we are out. Like to subscribe to our channel. Oh, we missed the dab. Ready? I keep doing it wrong every time. All right, we are out 1. Finish eating this cookies.
No, eating these cookies is so good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, but guys, These cookies are good, so you should actually go to Stop and Shop or whatever nearest supermarket you have to go to. And you should look.
Oh, you have sprinkles. You can put your own sprinkles on.
Who's that?
Yeah.